Hello family, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve such kinds of algebra problems. So let's solve the problems of 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 7. So what is the value of x if 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 7? So here we are going to solve the value of x. So we can solve this algebra by this method. Let's see, that is first we have to collect that is a rectangle. We have that is 2x and 3x. So we have 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 7 minus 3. That is collecting like terms. So 2x minus 3x is minus x. Minus x is equal to minus 10. So to get the value of x, divide by minus 1. Divide by minus 1. X is equal to minus 10 over minus 1. X is equal to 10. So the value of x is 10. So when we cross check that, 2 times 10 plus 3 is equal to 3 times 10 minus 7. 2 times 10, that's 20. 20 plus 3 is equal to 30 minus 7. 20 plus 3, that is 23, is equal to 30 minus 7, that is 23. So 23 is equal to 23, exactly. So in the problems of x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 7, so the value of x is equal to 10. It is 10. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe family.